Have you ever whispered a prayer and wondered if anyone was listening? Or have you ever thought, does Allah really hear even my smallest dua? Stay with me because today's story might change the way you look at every prayer you make. It was a peaceful evening after Maghrib prayer. The house was quiet. A gentle breeze flowed through the open window as little Mariam sat beside her father with curious eyes. After a moment of silence, she softly asked, Dad, does Allah really ask every single dua we make, even the tiny ones that nobody else knows about? Her father smiled with kindness before answering, My dear daughter, Allah Himself promises us in the Quran, Call upon me and I will respond to you. Think about it, Mariam. Every time you raise your hands and say, Ya Allah, your Creator is listening. No prayer is too small, no tear is unnoticed. No sincere heart is ever ignored. Allah loves His servant so much that He never turns away the one who calls upon Him with sincerity. Just then, Mariam's older brother Hamza walked into the room after finishing his prayer. He smiled and joined the conversation. That's true, Mariam. The Prophet also taught us that dua is one of the greatest sources of protection. Sometimes Allah removes a hardship before it even reaches us. Sometimes He gives us exactly what we ask for, and sometimes He gives us something even better at the perfect time. And there's another beautiful sunnah. Whenever you hear someone making a good dua, say Ameen. Because when you sincerely ask Allah to bless someone else, the angels make the very same dua for you. Mariam's face lit up with happiness. For the first time, she understood that dua was much more than asking for things. It was a conversation with the one who loves her more than anyone else. From that evening onwards, every prayer brought peace to her heart, hope to her soul, and strength to face every challenge. So remember, your quietest whisper is never lost. Your smallest prayer is never forgotten. Even sincere dua is a key and Allah opens the right door at the perfect time. So never stop asking, never stop hoping and never stop trusting Allah. Now let's do some vocabulary practice. Grace, meaning Allah's mercy, blessings and kindness. We experience Allah's grace in countless ways every single day. Sincerity, being honest and pure in your intentions. A sincere heart makes every prayer more meaningful. Shield, something that protects you from harm. Faith becomes a shield during life's hardest moments. Nourishment, something that helps us grow stronger in body or soul. Reading the Quran provides nourishment for the heart. Attentively, listening carefully with full attention. The students listened attentively to every word their teacher spoke. Now check the Arabic word of the day, dua. Dua means calling upon Allah with hope, humility and trust, supplication. Remember, every dua is heard, every dua has wisdom, every dua brings you closer to Allah. Thank you.